Hi everyone, so today we're going to replace these pedal inserts on the accelerator, brake and the clutch pedal. You can see that the accelerator pedal no longer has this rubber insert and it has gone away. All you have is that metal piece, whereas the brake and the clutch pedal have seen quite a bit of wear. So we are going to be replacing it. I have the replacement set for the Zen. So let's see how it's done. So first thing is to remove this pedal inserts from the brake and clutch pedal. A lot of rust. Oh, look at that, guys. It's a shitload of rust. I'm going to have to clean it. What I'll do is I'll apply some WD-40 and lube it for the time being, because I don't have spray paint with me now, and time permitting I'll have this cleaned and spray painted. Let's do it for the clutch as well. You can see rust. There you go. A little less rusty, the clutch, but yeah, it's there regardless. So let's try inserting the accelerator pedal rubber. Because you see these slots here, you've got to insert the metal piece in between that slots. It's simple as that. But I reckon it's not going to be as simple for the brake and clutch pedal. So there you go, guys. Accelerator pedal is done. This was way simpler than we thought. Now let's go for the brake and clutch. So the brake pedal is set. Guys, just a bit of a trick. What I did was I cut two small slots here at the center. You can see these two. So, it becomes a lot more flexible. This was there in the accelerator pedal, but pedal insert. But I didn't notice that in these rubber inserts that came from Maruti. So I decided, let's give it a small cut here, so it's easy to insert it and just pull it from the other side on the top. So that helped insert it for the brake pedal. Now let's do it for the clutch pedal. There you go. Solid fit, guys. So there you go, guys. We have installed the new pedal inserts on the accelerator, brake and clutch pedals. They look quite nice. It's always a good idea to have them cleaned once in a while. This is quite often the most neglected part when it comes to cleaning and detailing. All you need is an old discarded toothbrush. Just clean it with this and you're done. So this set was actually gifted to me by two good friends of mine, Siddharth and Shashi. I'm thankful to them for that. So just keep a note of that little hack that I did for these two pedals, so it's easy to insert them. Now they are a tight fit. Now of course not a very presentable mat here. I'll have to clean it because monsoons are in full swing at Gujarat here, so I'll have to clean them. These are the various parts used. This is a pedal insert for the accelerator pedal. This one is for the brake and clutch. Now here is an alternative part which will also fit, which is given for the more recent cars from Maruti. And this is the parts diagram. Thank you so much, guys.